The green tick verification code decoded. On this episode of CryptoCurrent, we're going to actually look into how the verification tick that you get for Proton is actually identical to the one on Twitter, thus proving that this is the new system that Elon Musk will choose for XApp. So, as I said, if you're new to the channel, welcome to CryptoCurrent. I'm your host, CryptoRick. Without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So, in the previous videos, we talked about how when you KYC your Proton accounts, you actually get a green tick. So when you display your full legal name on chain, you get a verification in the form of a green tick. Now let's actually look at the esoterics behind this and show you why it is definitely the system that Elon Musk will use for his XApp. Firstly, let's actually zoom in on the green tick. You can see that the green tick is made up of these boulders, the little outpouchings all around the tick. Now, if you actually take the Twitter one, you can actually see it's 100% match. You could see these little outpouchings. Furthermore, if you actually count it up, and I did, right, it's the same number of outpouchings. So it is basically confirmed that this is the equivalent of the Twitter Blue verification. You can see Proton is the only system at the moment which has @names, and this matches identical to the Twitter names with the @names, and then you have the name on the top followed by the tick, and similarly with Twitter you got the name at the top with the tick. So this is proof that this Proton system, this metal blockchain Proton system, is the system that Elon Musk and Ripple will use. Now, interestingly, if you actually invert the colors, you get this interesting ruby type red. You also get this kind of greenish yellow inversion, but with the Twitter Blue you get the orange. Okay, now this is gonna blow your mind, but have a look at this. When you actually look at David Schwartz's tweets, he cryptically says in 2021, now do the coloring that makes the ruby red grapefruit juice that color, right? If you actually cut a grapefruit in half, you get the same outpouchings, right, as the Twitter verification. And further to this, the outside greenish hue is similar to the Proton blockchain inverted, and the inside is exactly identical to the ruby red of the inverted tick. He even then goes on to say ruby red equals green. So he's actually again strengthening the correlation that this was the correct decode, that the green equals the ruby red. And he continues esoterically. The other thing to note is the ruby gemstone, in terms of gematria, has links also to Proton if you have the time to look that up. Furthermore, he tweets a lot of times about green. He talks about how green allows the transfer of authorizations, cryptically saying you need to tick for verification. And to show you that this is not stretching, he actually tweets about giving up financial privacy in exchange for what? He talks about how in the future you will know what your neighbor spends on, because you can see them on the blockchain, but it's not relative to the harm of criminals, justifying why we need a public blockchain with no privacy. He's saying that the risks of knowing petty things about what coffee we spent on doesn't match to the transparency we get with criminals. I disagree with that statement. I think the 0.001% do not justify the 99%, but this is part of the beast system. So they're making excuses as to why they would need justification for this. But going back to the riddles, and this was in the same thread, they're basically talking about green stuff, right? Green and stuff about privacy. He furthermore talks about a green ball, this ball of green, green cats, all right? If you have the time, you can just go through all his things. Interestingly, when you look at Donald Trump holding the key, it's got the same outpouchings as the Twitter verification, right? So you can basically see that it is referring to having not only your keys to the account, but being verified as well. Very soon, this green tick will be worth its weight in gold. All the nations will be going after the green tick. Furthermore, you could see Kim Kardashian and her sister Kourtney, and they're holding the keys to 2 keys. And you can check out my previous decode on the 2 keys of Anchor. But interestingly, you could see these little outpouchings, similar to the outpouchings here. And if you actually count up the outpouchings, they match identical to the number of outpouchings on the Proton verification tick. Furthermore, David Schwartz mentions why he has good stuff shaded green, right? Once again. Now, from a bearable guy riddle perspective, it actually mentions KYCing and getting the green tick as well. How? Well, if you look at the bear's hat, he's got this stringy thing here with some anchors on the thing, and it matches identical to the stringy thing here on this website. Now, can you believe where this image is from? Is from the Stellar KYC website. So what they're saying is you had to KYC your Anchor wallet, because in the future everything is going to be under a microscope. All your money will be able to very clearly be seen on the blockchain, and there's no hiding about. So just to prove my point, if you go to Stellar KYC website, it has the iconic image there on the right with the same identical strings attached to the bear's hat with the anchors, because Stellar and Proton are anchors of each other. Web authentication, I think, is an anchor of Stellar. They're saying you have to KYC not only your Stellar accounts, but your Proton Anchor accounts. Again, just reminding you the correlation, almost 100% match. This is a subtle thing. There's also like that. It looks like this Luna Classic Terra Luna. We discussed this in my Terra Luna decode. But basically, this shows you without a doubt, for those with eyes to see, that this was planned many, many moons ago, that this is what you had to do to maintain your assets, which is KYC your Anchor accounts, KYC your Stellar accounts, and get the green tick verification, giving you full custody and compliant digital identity correlation to your identity, making you the owner of your assets. And this is what the bear is basically trying to say. So it's likely that Elon will choose the X chain of Metal blockchain. So Metal blockchain has 3 chains: the P chain, the X chain, and the C chain. In some of the movies, they always say go for the middle fork. I think even Alice in Wonderland, I can't remember, I haven't watched Alice in Wonderland, but I think she chooses the middle fork in the pathway. There's some other movies and TV shows that I've seen, they say always choose the middle fork. So the middle fork is X. So it's no surprising if Elon chooses the X chain of the Proton of the Metal blockchain for his payments, and then using these other assets as well. So that's basically it for the decode. Let me know what your thoughts are below. Otherwise, stay safe. All the coins are all going to make it in the end. Let us surf and ride through the Kali Yuga. And as always, have a good day.